Welcome to Send Out Cards. I'm just going to take a moment to show you how to send a card very quickly. Uh, so first of all, when you sign in, if you open an account, you'll see a page similar to this. It'll be a bit different, but something like this. You can go to your cards menu, you can go create a card. It will then take you to the card catalog. In the card catalog, you will see there are hundreds of different cards. You can do this and just check them out. Sometimes there's several pages of cards, which you can see over here on the right hand side. However, at this point, I'm going to create a card from scratch. So I'm going to create a Picture Plus 2.0 card. This comes up with a number of options for different card shapes, postcards, greeting cards up and down, 3-panel cards, which are really cool, and big cards, which are also really cool because they're really big. But we're going to do just a right straightforward greeting card like you'd buy in the store, only we're going to make our own. In order to make this card, what I've done is I have preloaded some images or downloaded images, and I'm going to use some of those, but they're pretty simple to use. So over here we have pictures, templates, and elements. So I'm just going to go over to pictures, and you can see I can actually upload more pictures from here. If the picture I want is not here, but it's on my computer somewhere, I can actually go grab it and bring it in. And I can also put text on it. But in this case, I'm just going to grab this particular image here. I'm going to bring it over to here, and this is an image of the inside of the cathedral in Salt Lake City. It's a good picture. I really like it. I could then put text on the front of this card, but I just think the picture all by itself says it all. So I'm going to go to the inside of the card. On the inside of the card, it pre-opens with text boxes. These things here, it says click here to type your message. So you just click here and you can type a message. I can do this. Dear Father, thank you for a great sermon this past Sunday. We checked out the donuts and they were as advertised. Okay, so I just entered a bit of text here. You can put anything you want in there, obviously. You'll notice also that it's coming up in a particular font, so I can choose different fonts. From here, there are a number of fonts. I, in fact, am using my own personal handwriting, which has been uploaded into the system, and so that's what that is. I can change the color of the font or make the font different colors. So now the font will be blue. There you go, just blue font. But having done all this, now I'm going to put my signature in here. So I have uploaded a number of signatures, and we'll make that signature a bit bigger. Down here, we'll just make it bigger. And we'll make this text box a bit smaller, because just so I show you how to do that, just drag these boxes down. So go here, and let's go here. We'll make this about 16. Go Father John Wright. Oops. And Father John SSC at. There you go. So that's just it. Now, let's say I want to add some more pictures. So I can go over here and I can pick my pictures out. I actually have put them into folders. I have a lot of my pictures in folders. So I'll just look for the folder I want. Just go demo. I'll put some pictures in here. So let's put this picture over here just to show you can do it. Now I can certainly resize the picture. So make it a bit smaller. Bring it over, make it down, do that. Put a picture here like this, put it down. And then I can take this text box, click on it when it turns yellow, make it smaller, put it into here, and just go Send Out Cards is an awesome system. And I made a type error, so it's just telling me, so I just right click, correct this typing, and maybe I want this in a different color. let's go red, because Sendo Cards likes to be uses red a lot in their stuff. And what I'll do then is let's just change the font. Let's make the font. Let's just choose this font just to be different. Right now I'm looking at this and going, oh, I could use something else here. Let's do this. Let's bring this over here. It's a nice little graphic. Put it over there. And I'm going, okay, the card's pretty much done. It's ready to go, but you know, I think I would like to just snazz it up just a little bit more. So I'm going to go over here, and these are sort of backgrounds that you can use. Like here's a nice little eagle. I like to put eagle in. It's a little bigger than I wanted, so again, you just go to the box, make it a bit smaller. There you go. And let's carry on down under elements. Now, let's just check backgrounds. That would probably be a bit quicker, and then I go down for backgrounds. You can just choose the ones that you want. Sorry, it's taking a bit longer to load than I probably would like. So we'll just go down. Let's see what's going on. Well, here's a sort of a light blue background. But since I've got blue lettering, it's probably not a good idea to use that color. But I do know that further down here, there's a really nice so you can see there's all kinds to choose from with backgrounds, anything you want, really. Okay, just take this one over here, drag this over, put over top, fill the screen with it, and then just go back, 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 so that is back, and then let's do this other side here. Oops. Let's make sure you grab the right thing. So we'll click off of here so that's no longer there. Click on this, drag it over, click and drag, and then we'll bring this down here, and then we'll just bring it up, and we'll send it to the back. And again, all kinds of elements over here you can see to choose from. Easter, lots of bunny rabbits for Easter, not my favorite. Lots and lots of stuff. So let's just do send out cards. So just because it's send out cards, and let's just take this, bring it over here. Get a bit smaller. We're done, as far as I'm concerned. That didn't take me very long. And so you can see this is the inside of the card. I could fancy it up a whole lot more if I wanted to, put more text in it, whatever. Front of the card, there's the inside of the card. Oops, let's see, it's telling me that probably I should capitalize Sunday. There you go, done. So then I go down here in the lower right hand side, push continue, and it gives me my options. Tells me what the card is. It's a 2-panel card. Cards are priced by points. Each panel is a point, so it's two panel cards, so it's 2 points, and pictures are 1 point. As many pictures as you want for the 1 point. So the price of the card is 3 points. I actually pay 31 cents a point, so this card is actually 93 cents. So now I want to put a return address. The system is set up, so I want to change it a little bit to just go Father John and Ruth, like that. And that's my return address, and click next step. And so I can actually do multiple recipients, or I can do single recipients. So in this case, I can also do a search for somebody if they're already in my contact manager. So I just put just pick somebody that's actually, let's go Father Martin, let's put that one, and tab over so on and so forth. Fill it in. Select from contacts. Search for contacts. Father Martin. Comes up with a search. There it is there. So I want to use Father Martin. Select recipient. Fills it in since he's already there. If he wasn't already there, I could have just filled in all the form and just click to save as a new contact, make that yes, and then it just goes into the system. So that's all done. So we just go, postal code. That happens to be the postal code. So then we go like this. So here we have the shipping method. Service days. So it's 49 cents for the stamp. It will arrive. Date. It will ship today. Actually, confirm. Going to payment. Okay. So this is where it's telling me the cost. It's points. It's going to be this 3 points. Like I say, is 93 cents. And I just push send card, and it is printed and sent off for me. Nothing to it. I could also add add a gift to the card, and there's lots and lots of gifts to choose from. Just hundreds. And then, so you spend hours looking at the gifts. But basically what I went through is how you send the card. So just briefly recapping. You start from the main menu. You create a card. Let's just actually remove that card from the thing. So go to main menu. Cards, create a card. Again, you can choose a card if you hover over it or click on it. It will show you the card, show the inside, cover, and then you can just choose it and just go with that card. Or like we just did, we created a Picture Plus card here. By going to here, we picked the card we wanted, put our elements on the card, and just carried through with the continue button, and you're done. If you want, you can actually save these cards as you make them as a Pictures Plus card. And what happens to that when you do that is they just go into your own card menu. So My Cards, Pictures Plus cards. And these are all the cards that I've actually made. Lots and lots of cards because I like to make them from scratch. It's lots of fun. That's it. Nothing to it. So enjoy. Just have fun, experiment with it, and you'll be sending out cards like a pro in no time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.